Hello! Today we are going to do a gingerbread man science activity. In this activity, you're going to need some gingerbread cookies, some crunchy ones. You're going to need a glass container, and you're going to need something to pour your water. Your water should be lukewarm to warm, and a tongs. You can also use a stopwatch if you would like, and a notebook to keep track of your experiment. So, first I want you to take a cookie, and I want you to eat it. I want you to crunch it. Note that these particular gingerbread cookies are extra crunchy. I wonder if by having an extra crunchy cookie, if it's going to take it longer to dissolve in our warm water. Well, we'll have to find out. You can keep track of your responses in your notebook if you'd like. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is think about and predict what might happen. How long do you think it'll take our cookie to dissolve? Will it be 30 seconds? A minute? 2 minutes? You think about that and write down your prediction. So, the next thing we're going to do is we are going to pour our water into our glass cylinder. Here's our water, and here's our glass cylinder. Next, we're going to add our cookie. And when we add our cookie, we need to start tracking how long. And we're going to keep checking it every 30 seconds and note what happens. Look, he's floating. Is that what you expected? Did you think he would float? Or did you think he would have sunk? But he's obviously floating. Did you notice that he flipped over and we can already see the frosting on him starting to come off of his body? We are at exactly 30 seconds. So let's touch him. Well, he went to the ground, but he didn't bust up. Let's wait another 30 seconds and see what happens. What do you think's going to happen? Will he completely dissolve? Will I be able to break him up with my tongs? Couple more seconds and then we can try it out. Okay, I see he's starting to bubble a little bit. Let me adjust my tongs again and see. Let's go down. Oh, look, I'm able to break him apart. Let's wait 30 more seconds and see what happens. What do you think might happen? Do you think he will completely bust apart? Will I be able to mix him up into the water? And why do you think this is happening? See, because he's made out of cookie and he's dried up, chances are the water is helping to make him dissolve. All right, now let's see what happened. Oh, there he goes. He completely dissolved. In about a minute and a half, he completely dissolved, and now he's no longer a full-size cookie. So why don't you try this with other types of cookies and maybe other types of fluid too? You could try cold water. You could try milk. Who doesn't love milk in cookies? And what better time of the year tend to have gingerbread cookies? Have a great day.